Day 3, the great big beautiful truck. Van, ambulance, vambulance. The vambulance. The vampire ambulance. The vampulance. I don't know. Third base. Who's on first? I don't know. Third base. Okay, so had to take taillights off as I figured. I got the bumper on with one bolt each, which was a nightmare in and of itself, working alone without a jack stands, etc., etc., etc. At any rate, come back tomorrow with the drill a hole through the bracket, add a second bolt on either side. I've already got it leveled and set up with a 2x4 and a toolbox. And see, tomorrow's Thursday. I got to go to the DMV and get the temporary tags, and then Friday I pull it out. Sorry. I pulled the van out of the garage. Anyway, yes, more to come.